In this video, we will learn how to create custom exceptions in Python. It is very simple. First, inherit the exception class, then define the init method and str method. That is a string method. In our example, we have inherited exception class, then we have defined the init method. The attributes are age, message, and error code. There are two options to define the message. Either we can pass it at the runtime as an argument or hard coded. Generally, we can hard code some part of the message if you don't have some dynamic functionality. For our example, we have hard coded the message that age must be between 0 and 120. This age will come from the value, that is the argument. Message we have hard coded, error code we have hard coded. Then we will pass the message to the constructor class. That is the exception class. And then we have defined the string method. We've also defined a set age method that checks if the age is less than 0 or age is greater than 120. If so, is invalid age error and pass age in the argument. Else print age set to age. We are calling set age method and passing 150 as the age, and then printing the exception if exception is raised. As you can see, error code 1001, error code 1001, and age is 150, that was passed in argument. Age must be between 0 and 120. What if we pass age as 120? No, not 120, 119. Age set to 119. Exception was not raised because this if condition was never true.